If you don't know who Mr. Moloto is, he's the owner of a well known rehabilitation center in Limpopo. So today he appeared in the Polokwane Magistrate Court facing 2 counts of malicious damage to property. The charges stem from 2 alleged arson incidents on the 28th of June 2026. Police say a rival rehab center signboard was set alight in Ladana. A short while later, a Toyota Hilux was burned in Seshego Zone 3, and that fire spread to a nearby house where 7 people were asleep, causing an estimated 800,000 rands worth of damage. The matter was transferred from the Seshego Magistrate Court to Polokwane Magistrate Court so cases could be heard together. The court has also granted Mr. Moloto bail of 50,000 rands, subject to strict conditions. These include reporting to a police station twice a week, having contact with a complainant or state witnesses, and remaining in Limpopo unless permission is granted by the investigating officer. Police have also seized a Toyota Fortuner that investigators believe may have been used during the alleged incidents. The case has been postponed to the 22nd of September 2026 as police continue with the investigation. As with any accused person, Mr. Moloto is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in the court of law. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.